morning, everyone. I hope your Sunday is going great. I thought I'd do a video for new mixers who haven't yet begun to start mixing. Just some tips on saving you a lot of money and a lot of aggravation. So anyway, let's dive in. Okay, so you've bought your nicotine, you've got your PG and your VG. Now you're up there shopping like crazy, buying a bunch of flavors. Stop right now. Go back. Don't you hit that checkout button, okay? Just stop right where you are. Okay. Before you buy a whole lot of flavors, the thing you need to do before you even get started, okay, first of all, I would go to eliquidrecipes.com and get yourself an account. It's free. Calculator. That's where I would start. Get yourself all signed up, get your account ready to go. And before you go shopping, decide what profile. Like, you've been vaping commercial juice, so you kind of already know what you like and what you don't like, okay? So you need to decide what kind of profile that you want to get started with. And so that's where I'd start. Now, I'm going to use this as an example today, but let's say you like strawberries and cream, okay? So, you can't just buy one strawberry, okay? Because the thing is, with a lot of strawberries, different combinations get you a different strawberry, okay? You could vape one strawberry, but I'm going to guarantee you're not going to like it. So, before you buy your strawberry, a little bit of research, and it will save you a lot of money and a lot of time. Trust me, I know. Okay? And asking, it's all great to go in a group and say, what kind of strawberry does everybody like? But we're all different. Okay? Some people like super sweet strawberries. Some people like overly ripe strawberries, whatever, okay? What I would do is go back to ELR or eLiquid Recipes and do a search on strawberries. If you go down to flavor listings, type in strawberries. Over on the right, there's a rating. Hit the rating. And if you look down, you will see the most popular strawberries, okay? And if it was me, I would get yourself, maybe 3 or 4 strawberries, okay, of the ones that people use the most, okay? I'm not going to say, but, okay, I'll use an example like strawberry ripe, a strawberry sweet, and there's other ones. There's a million strawberries out there. But I would get yourself 3 or 4, because what's going to happen is you're going to end up having to layer strawberries, okay? And you don't want to keep having to go buy more and go buy more. So I would buy 3 or 4 strawberries, okay? When you get these strawberries, try doing a little testers. You can do little 15 ml testers. You put what you want to put in the ELR. For example, okay, I want to do 15 mils. You say you're going to put tobacco in, but when you actually, or tobacco, I got tobacco. You put the nicotine, your level of nicotine in the preferences and all that stuff. We'll go over that in detail later, on another video. But don't waste your nicotine when you're first just testing out flavors. So anyway, get back to the subject here. You get your 3 or 4 strawberries in the mail, and what I would do is test them. And you can find on ELR the average recommended usage. So let's say it's at 4%. You can start a little lower, but I would start at 4%. Do little testers of each one of those strawberries that you did. Taste them. See what you like. If they're not strong enough, you can try going up a little bit. Or you can push them and see how far before they turn like rotten. Okay? Test your flavors. Okay? So once you get those, Okay, now you want a cream. Do the same thing. Go onto ELR, go into the flavor listing, and I will do another video on the ELR site. But anyway, search the creams, search the most popular creams, and find 3 or 4 creams that are like up near the top. You could also do another thing, which is sort of kind of cheating, not really, but it'll give you another, this is what I do, another idea. You don't have to do what these people are doing, but okay, so go onto the recipes and search strawberries and cream. Hit the rating button and just scroll down through the recipes. Look at their recipes and see what everybody's using together. See what percentages they're using, and you can get an idea that way too. A lot of people I see go out and buy, 20, 30 different flavors. And what happens is when you get these flavors, it's so overwhelming and you're just trying to slap recipes together. And then what happens is eventually, and I'm saying this because been there, done that. Now you got to go back because you haven't got a clue. You don't know these flavors. You need to get to know your flavors. Okay, so back to the top. Okay, so you do the same thing with the creams. Do research, get 3 or 4 creams, find the most popular ones, look at some recipes and see what everybody's using, because there's a million strawberries and cream out there. But if you hit the ratings, you'll get the most popular ones and just keep going down. Make notes. Okay, everybody's using, let's say, Vienna cream at 2%. Everybody's got Vienna cream in their strawberries. Okay, that would be a flavor that you need to get. So instead of going out and buying, $50 worth of flavors, just start off small. Start off at the beginning. You know what you like to vape. Stick with that and you'll be happy. Anyway, I'm going to do a series on flavors for beginners and stuff. So anyway, don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you like it. And talk to you later.